Get ready to unleash the future of horns because India's #1 horn manufacturer and the first choice of major OEMs across the nation has just unleashed a game changer. Introducing the UNO Minda D90 horn. It's not just new, it's revolutionary. This horn is made as per OEM standards. It ensures that you get the same quality horn that you get when you buy a new vehicle. That's right. Whether you drive a Maruti, Tata or LCV, D90 has the same exact look and feel as the horn provided by the manufacturer. With its loud and powerful sound, you will never have to be worried about being heard ever again. And that's not all. We have specific D90 horns designed for different vehicle models like Maruti Brezza, Bronx, Baleno, Swift Desire, Swift, Tata Nexon, Tiago, Tigor, and in LCVs like Ace, Dost, Josh, Bolero pickup and more. The D90 horn is fully water sealed, engineered to keep performing no matter how heavy the rain. So say goodbye to worrying about your horn falling silent in the wet weather. The D90 isn't just waterproof, it's made with robust, attractive design that's made to stand out and last. Made with premium, weather-resistant materials, the D90 is crafted to endure. Whether it is rain, mud or scorching sun, this horn keeps going without losing performance. The D90 is compact, making it an easy fit for your vehicle. But at the same time, it's loud and powerful, delivering a sound that commands attention whenever you need it. So if you are done with horns that can't keep up with your trust, experts ki suno, UNO Minda chuno. Upgrade to the UNO Minda D90 horn today and drive with confidence.
India's #1 horn manufacturer. Choice of all major OEMs across globe. Expert ki suno. UNO Minda chuno.
UNO Minda.